In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Booksy QR code generator in just a few easy steps. Whether you're promoting your services or just looking to simplify bookings for your clients, having a QR code can make the process much more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Booksy business website. This is where all the magic starts. Open your web browser and type in the URL, which will lead you directly to the homepage. Once you're there, focus your eyes on the top right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. Click on it to proceed to the next page. Now, after selecting login, you'll need to enter your credentials. This might seem like an obvious step, but make sure you have the correct username and password handy. If everything has been entered correctly, you'll be taken to your dashboard, your command center for all your Booksy activities. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you will see your profile icon. It might look like a small house or silhouette, depending on your settings. Click on this icon, which will lead you straight to your profile page. The profile page is essentially your personal or business identity on Booksy, showcasing all your information and settings. On your profile page, you'll find an option labeled Share Profile. Clicking on Share Profile is critical because this is the doorway to accessing your QR code. A prompt will appear asking if you want to see the options for sharing your profile. Make sure to agree, as this will bring up the QR code generator option. Once you've reached the QR code generator prompt, a unique QR code for your profile will appear. This code is more than just a bunch of black and white squares. It contains all the essential information to direct others to your profile with just a scan. Now you need to download this QR code to save it onto your device. Look for the download button, typically located right next to the QR code image. Clicking it will save the code directly to your computer or mobile device. With the QR code now in your possession, it's time to put it to use. You can upload it to your social media profiles, print it on marketing materials, or even add it to your email signature. It's a versatile tool that can help increase your visibility and make booking appointments a breeze for your clients. And there you have it! Adding a QR code to your Booksy profile is that simple. It's a fantastic way to streamline client interactions and grow your online presence. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thank you for watching.